Hello, and welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to sync BoldDesk tickets with Salesforce CRM cases to create a seamless flow of information between your support and sales teams. When support updates don't reach Salesforce on time, sales and success teams end up acting on the wrong status or missing critical follow-ups. BoldDesk's two-way sync solves this instantly. Every ticket update, customer detail, or note from the help desk appears in Salesforce and changes in Salesforce Sync back in real time. Both systems stay perfectly aligned, eliminating manual updates and ensuring every team works with accurate, up-to-date information. If you have already configured Salesforce CRM, this video is for you. If not, please refer to the video linked in the description to learn how to install and configure the Salesforce CRM integration. Let's get started with the steps for syncing tickets. In the Ticket Sync section, turn on the switch to enable two-way ticket sync. Then, choose the events that send ticket information between BoldDesk and Salesforce by enabling ticket creation and ticket property updates. Next, install and configure the Salesforce Managed package to enable seamless communication between the systems. Click the installation link and log in to Salesforce. Choose Install for all users, then click Install. To verify the installation, select BoldDesk for Salesforce option. Once the package is installed, search for custom metadata types. Select Manage Records and click Edit to enter the required settings. Here, enter the BoldDesk URL and the API key to authenticate the connection between the two platforms. After entering the details, click Save to complete the setup. Next, you will need to add your BoldDesk URL in Salesforce. Navigate to Remote Site Settings. Click New Remote Site, enter your site name and main BoldDesk URL, and click Save. Then, return to BoldDesk, refresh the page, and complete the configuration by adding your BoldDesk API key and click Verify. Next, use status mapping to align BoldDesk ticket statuses with Salesforce case statuses. For example, mapping Open to New, Waiting for Customer to Working, and On Hold to Escalated. Then click Next and save the setup. The sync begins working automatically. When a new case is created in Salesforce, a corresponding BoldDesk ticket is generated, with fields mapped between the two systems. The subject, description, contact, account, and status fields from Salesforce are transferred to the matching BoldDesk fields: subject, description, requester, contact group, and status. Syncing from BoldDesk to Salesforce works the same way. When a customer creates a BoldDesk ticket, a Salesforce case is generated and updates to mapped fields sync instantly. Note that a ticket can only be created when the subject, description, and contact fields are provided. Salesforce to BoldDesk syncs fields like subject, contact, and status in real time, while BoldDesk to Salesforce syncs subject, description, requester, contact group, and status. Status changes sync only when mapped. Otherwise, Salesforce defaults to new and BoldDesk defaults to open, keeping both systems aligned and workflows consistent. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates. Thanks for watching.